after the dart has been folded, you can see that the hem has opened wide here. So I'm going to fill this part with brown paper and also add a little to the side seam so that we can have our flare pattern complete. Now I'm placing it on the brown paper and I'll secure it with tape. Make sure it holds firm and it does not move. Now after securing the tape, I'm going to use a curve to connect this end to this other end at the hem. So this is it, the line is drawn. So I'll measure the length from this end to this other end here. Measure the length from here to here and divide it by 2. Whatever value I get is what I'm going to add to the side seam. So using my ruler, this is 5 centimeters, so I'm going to add half of it. 5 centimeters divided by 2 will give me 2.5 centimeters. So I'm going to add 2.5 centimeters. Remember, we are working with a half scale pattern. If you're working with a full scale pattern, definitely what the value here is going to be more than what I have measured. So after doing this, I then connect this end where I measured back to the hip line or anywhere along the waistline or anywhere along the side seam as you deem fit. So I'm using my rulers, and can you see how it's placed? I'm connecting in mine to the waist, making sure that the curve picks the waist and the hem. This is it. So I'm going to cut this out so that we can see it better. All I'm doing is just follow the lines that I've made. And here I have it, my skirt pattern, my flare skirt pattern. So you need to indicate the direction of grain, which determines how the skirt will fit, but I want mine to just go this way. And then this is my center front, this is my side front. I will then retrace this onto a fresh paper so that it looks neat and clean and I can keep it. And this is a fresh pattern paper. I'm going to trace it along the edge. Now I have my flare pattern. Let me trace it out so that you see it better. So I'm going to add my seam allowances all around it before I do the final cutting. So here is it, my flare pattern. So everything I've done round, I'm going to do it all over for the back pattern piece. Let's simply cut this out for keeps. This is it, and I then go over my back pattern so I can do what I've done all over and get the back pattern for my flare block.